Good morning, students. As you know, our topic is rounding number. In previous lecture, we learned how we can round off a number to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, and to the nearest 1000. So this was your exercise 51. In short, I'm repeating once again, students, when we round a number to the nearest 10, we will put your finger at 10's place value number. Ones, 10. So now put your finger here. Now observe the next number. That is 6. If this number is 5 or greater than 5, then our rounding value will be 90. It will increase 90. Now next example is 84. Ones, tens. Now put your finger here. Our next digit is 4. So now our rounding, nearest value is 80. So this is a rule how we can round off a number to the nearest 10. Next is round of a number to the nearest 100. Now put your finger at 100 place value number, ones, tens, 100. Now observe the next number. This is 7. So your nearest value will be 600. One more example, 123, ones, tens, 100. So put your finger here, and now our next number is 2. In this case, your nearest value is 100. Now round of a number to the nearest 1000, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now put your finger at 1000 place value number. And see the next number. This is 4. So your nearest value will be 7000. Next example is 7580. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now put your finger here and observe the next number. This is 5. So in this case, your nearest value will be 8000. So students, using same method, we can find the nearest value according to 10,000, according to lakh, crore, and so on. So students, this was your exercise 51. Now we will discuss the nearest value of decimal numbers. Nearest value of decimal numbers. Now, this is your exercise 52. First question of exercise 52 is round off each of the following decimals to the nearest ones. Now, your first number is 6.3. Now students, round off this decimal number to the nearest ones. Now you will observe the number at ones place. That is ones place. Students, if this number is 5 or greater than 5, then our nearest value will be 7. So in this case, our number is 6.3. So your nearest value is 6.0. That is 6. If this number is 5 or greater than 5, then value will be 7, which will increase one step. If this number is less than 5, then our nearest value is only 6. 6.0, it means value is only 6. Next is B part 2.7. Now observe this number. This is 7. 2.7. Now after the point, our digit is 7. So 7 is greater than 5. Now your nearest value will be 3.0. Now 2 convert into 3.0. So our nearest value is only 3. Clear, students? Next is part C 4.5. Now this number, this is 5. If this number is 5 or greater than 5, then this number will increase one step. 5.0. So our nearest value is 5. Next, part D 16.8. Observe this number. This is 8 greater than 5. So nearest value will be 17.0. So it's your question number first of exercise 52. Part E, F, G, H. You will complete the question number first. Clear, friends? Next is second question. In second question, write each of the following decimal correct to one decimal place. One decimal place now. Write each of the following decimals correct to one decimal place. Now your first number is 3.74. Now your first decimal place number is 7. So you will solve up to this. For this, students, we will observe, put your finger here and observe the next number. If this number is 5 or greater than 5, then next number will be increased of one step. If this number is less than 5, the value will be same, 3.7. Now your number is 4. 4 is less than 5, so your nearest value will be 3.7. Dear students, now we are round of a number to according to one decimal place. Your one decimal place number is this. So put your finger here and observe the next number. This is 4 less than 5. So your nearest value will be 3.7. Next is part B 8.36. Now your number is this. Now put your finger here, and next number is 6 greater than 5. So your nearest value will be 8.4. Next is part C. 9.65. Your number is this. So put your finger here. Your next digit is 5. So nearest value will be 9.7. Part D. 10.347. Your point is, put your finger here. Next number is 4. So your nearest value will be 10.3. So students, this is your question number first. Now second. Now question number third. Third question is, write each of the following decimal correct to 2 decimal place. Now we'll find the value correct up to 2 decimal place. So this is your first decimal place. This number is second decimal place number. So now we will round off a number according to this number. Next is third question is, write each of the following decimal correct to 2 decimal place. Your first number is 0.706. Second decimal place number is 0. Now put your finger here and observe the next number. This is 6. So your nearest value will be 0.71 because 6 is greater than 5. Zero point 7.1. Now part B. 5.238. Now second decimal place number is 3 and next number is 8. So your nearest value will be 5.24 because 8 is greater than 5. 5.24. Next is part C. 11.415. Now your second place number is this, and our next digit is 5. So our nearest value will be 11.42. Students, if the next number, this one, is 5 or greater than 5, then this value, next number, is increased for one step, 11.42, because this number is 5. 11.42. Next is part B. $17.893. Now put your finger here, and our next number is 3. 17.89, because 3 is less than 5. So this is the second question. This is third. Third question of exercise 52. Next is question 4. Yes, friends. In fourth question, write each of the decimals correct to 3 decimal place. Write each of the following decimals correct to 3 decimal place. In fourth question, part A, your number is 0.7894. Now students, your third decimal place number is this, 1, 2, 3. So put your finger here. And observe the next number. This is 4. So number will be 0.789, because 4 is less than 5. So your nearest value will be 0.789. Now part B. $2.1635. 1, 2, 3. Now what your third place number is this. So put your finger here, and next number is 5. Now your nearest value is 164. 2.164. Next, students, part C. $78.478. $78.4728. Now your third place number is this. Put your finger here. And our next number is 8. Next number is 8. So your nearest value will be 78.473. Now your 1, 2, 3. Our next number is 7. 7. So nearest value will be 19.015. In fifth question, write the quotient correct to 2 decimal place in each of the division sum. Write the quotient divide by 9. Now students, we will divide 2.3 by 9 up to 3 decimal place to find the correct value of 2 decimal places. 2.3 divide by 9. First students, 0.9 to our 80. Now 23 minus 18 is 5. So put here 0. Now 9 5 are 45. Now 50 minus 45, 5, 0. Next number is divide by 5, 45. Now we will divide this number up to 3 decimal place. Now find the nearest value correct to 2 decimal places number. Now your number is 0.255. 2 decimal place number is 1, 2. This. And our next number is 5. So nearest value will be 0.26. So your answer is 0.26. 21.83 divide by 16. So divide 21.83 divide by 16. First we'll divide by 1, 16. Now 21 minus 16 is 5, and next number is 8. Now put here point. Next, 16 divide by 3. 48. Now 58 minus 48 is 10. Next number is 3. Now we'll divide by 6. Is 96. 2, 1. So our answer is 64. So our number is 1.364, and observe this number, that's 4. So your answer is 1.36. So this is part B. Now students, fifth question, C part. C part. 3.7 divide by 70. Now students, first we will divide up to 3 decimal place. 3.7